Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. So I'm over at Landsea Homes, which used to be Hanover Builders. So if you know Hanover Family Builders, you've probably seen this Kensington Flex and the Greenwich. So you've probably seen it before. I'm going to make some videos of this right now so you can check it out. I'm at Greenfield Village. Let's go inside and have a look. House is about 1,700 square feet. Hanover Builders, I do like to have nice floor plans. Oh, this is awesome. Mario Brothers, fantastic. Super Mario Brothers. Man, this is just great. Look at this. Just want to see the pillow. Very nice. Okay, so we have two ways to go. On the right is the kitchen. And on the left, let's see what we have over here. First bedroom. This is definitely a nice sized bedroom. I'm showing you the floor so you can see where I'm standing. I'm off in the corner. I like the bunnies, very nice. Then we have a full bathroom, and the toilet and the tub is separated by its own door, which is nice. Kitchen, living room, and dining room. Plenty of space, very spacious. And the pantry, wonderful pantry. Look at that. On the right should be the garage. It's really busy in the garage. It looks like a storage. Lots of cabinets in the kitchen. And outside you have plenty of room with this lanai. Large bedroom. Master bedroom, I should say. And you have your two sinks. I'm going to walk this way, which is probably a toilet. Yes, it is. Toilet in the closet. shower. This one has a rain shower head. Now just keep in mind, things like a rain shower head probably don't come standard. Got your walk-in closet. And we have the whole closet. And let's check out the laundry room. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Check out my website at richnotohomes.com or wintergardennew.com. You can also get me by phone, email, or text. If you don't get me one way, try another way. And as I always do say in every video, please contact me first before you contact a home builder. When you contact the home builder first, you may void your paid for by the builder realtor representation, which it does not cost you anything, but you can void it, so it's use it or lose it. You'll have my service throughout the process versus going alone. Great house, I like it. Wonderful floor plan, nice and spacious. I don't think anything felt cramped. And thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you are 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.